Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can reset Xiaomi outdoor security camera model AW300. Okay, and if you use another model, the reset button will be different location from this camera model, but use this one for your sample. Okay, to reset the camera you need a small screwdriver like this, and you can see on the below the camera you will see the two screw here, and another side is the live view you will see on the phone. And after we press reset, what will happen to the phone. Okay, now let's screw out these two screw. And after that you will see one is the SD card and another one is the reset button. Just press and hold it about 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after you hear the word reset successfully and the orange light appear on the camera screen, and now your camera is already reset and it's now disconnect from the live view.
Please use your phone to scan the QR code on the camera.
Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of. Okay, so I need to disconnect the camera first. It's annoying, the sound from the camera. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can reset your Xiaomi outdoor security camera. And for the setup, let's check out in the description. I will put a link how you can set up this camera back to your phone. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.